computer organization and architecture. Intro- Introduction to computer system. Computer. Computer are tools for humans with a working system that receives input in the form of data, process the input and produce output in the form of information. Basic function of a computer system: input, keyboard, mouse, scanner, and other. Output, monitors or other graphic displays, printers, speaker, and others. Processing data is the function where the computer actually does its job, namely manipulating and controlling data from the entire system. Manipulating here is from raw data to a more informative form or information, stored hard drive or external storage device. Compilation system. Programming language. A programming language is a language that is a means for humans to communicate, communicate with computers. The unstructured human mind must be structured so that it can communicate with computers. Computers require certainty and correct logic to be able to carry out certain interaction. For this reason, a good and correct algorithm is need. Machine language. Machine language is a language that contains machine codes that can only be interpreted directly by a computer. Machine language is often also called native code. It really depends on the particular machine. This language is the lowest level language and is in the form of binary code 0 and 1, a collection of instructions in machine language can from microcode, a kind of procedure in machine language. Assembly language, mnemonic code. It is a symbolic form of machine language considered to be the first programming language in the form of string and is easier for humans to understand. As machine language, code has its own symbols in assembly language. High-level language. This language is closer to human language. This language also provides many facilities to make programming easier. For example, variables, data types, contents, control structures, loops, function, procedure, and so on. Hardware organization. Hardware. Computer hardware is all the physical computer and is distinguished by the data that is in it for that operators in it, such as motherboard, power supply, processor, RAM, random access memory, hard disk, CD drive, CMOS battery, VGA cards, sound cards, edge, performance issues, in interaction exchange rate. A processor is driven by a clock with a content frequency. For equivalency, a content silent time where One, and we define the interaction on IC for a program as the number of machine interaction excited for that program until it runs to completion or from some defined time interval. Note that is the number of interaction executions, not the number of interaction in the object code of the program. The processor time. The time to transfer depends on the memory cycle time, which might be greater than the processor cycle time. The five performance factors in the preceding equation are influenced by four system attributes. The design of the interaction set, known as interaction set architecture. Compiler technology, how effective the compiler is in producing an efficient machine language program from a high-level language program. Processor implementation, cache and memory hierarchies, a top-level view of the computer function and interaction, computer competence. Contemporary computer design are based on concepts developed by John von Neumann at the Institute for Advanced Studies, Princeton, referred to as von Neumann architecture, and is based on three key concepts. Data and instructions are stored in a single write memory. The contents of this memory are addressable by location without regard to the type of data contained there. Execution occurs in a sequential fashion unless explicitly modified from one instruction to the next. Fetch Kyle at the beginning of each instruction cycle, the processor fetches an instruction from memory. The program counter PC holds the address of the instruction to be fetched next. The processor interrupts the PC after each instruction fetches the title. It will fetch the next instruction in sequence. The fetched instruction is loaded in the instruction register. The processor interprets the instruction and performs the required action. Interput cycle added to instruction cycle. Processor check for interpret indicated by an interput signal. If no interruption, fetch the next instruction. If interput pending, suspend execution of the current program. Save context. Set PC to start address of interput handler routine processor interpret restore context and continue the interpret program. A top-level view of computer function and interaction interconnection. Data bus. Data links that provide a path for moving data among system modules may consist of or more separate lines. The number of lines is referred to as the width of the data bus. The number of lines determines how many bits can be transferred at a time. The width of the data bus is a key factor in determining overall system performance. Other bus use it to designate the source of or destination of the data on database. If the processor wishes to read a word of data from memory, it puts the address of the desired word on the address line, which determines the maximum possible memory capacity of the system. Also used to address port. The higher order bits are used to select a particular module on the bus, and the lower order bits selects a memory location or port within the module. The memory hierarchy location and performs. Memory is the part of the computer where programs and data are stored. The term store or storage refers to memory, although the word store is often used to refer to diskette store, a place from information read and written. Various types, technologies, organization, formats, and fixes memory parameters. There are four important parameters that are considered in choosing a memory capacity. Memory can be fit as a storage in containing a number of locations as of with storage with number of bits. Speed. The memory speed is measured in terms of two parameters, access time and cycle time. Lastly, the access time for the freeze access in a series of access bandwidth. The data transfer rate by the memory, it is expressed as the number of bytes per second. Cache memory. The use of tier levels exploits the fact the semiconductor memory comes in a variety of types which differ in speed accounts. Data are stored more permanently on external mass storage device. External non-volatile memory is also referred to as secondary memory or auxiliary memory. This charge a portion of my memory can be used as for hold data temporarily, that is to be read out to disk. Small amount of fast memory sits between normal main memory and CPU, might be located on CPU chip or module. High-speed secondary data storage mechanisms used to store frequently accessed data and instruction. Cache provide memory speed close to the fastest available memory, and at the same time provide large memory capacity at a lower price than other types of semiconductor memory. Thank you.